Hello, my name is Corinne. Today I'm going to go through my favorite closet editing tips. How many of you spend too much time trying to figure out what to wear? Or how about having a closet full of clothing but never having anything to wear? If that's the case, then stick around. Today I'm going to go through my favorite tips with closet editing. Empty your entire closet using a bed or a space on your bedroom floor to dump the entire closet contents. Now, going through the contents that you pulled out of the closet, you want to create 4 piles: a love it pile, a like it/sell it pile, a donate pile, and a trash pile. Your love it pieces are pieces that work for you. They are the right colors, they fit well, they're your go-to pieces. They're your pieces that you wear all the time. You know that they work, they're in great condition, they don't need any tailoring, they don't need anything. They are your pieces. So if I was to call you, I'm downstairs, we're going out for some drinks and you needed to grab a piece right away without thinking, those are your love it pieces. Like it/sell pile. These are your pieces that either need some kind of tailoring, alteration, and that's why you've never worn it. You bought it but never found the occasion to wear it to. You you just forgot you had it in your closet, and today is the first time you saw it in 6 months because we just emptied out the entire closet. So these are the pieces that are going into your like it/sell pile. Your donation pile are pieces that you have in your closet that you just know you haven't worn in a long time. There may be pieces that you don't find much value as being able to sell them. It could be like t-shirts, like extra t-shirts that you just don't think you're going to get any money for, or that you can do anything with them. These are going into your donation pile. And then your last pile is your trash pile. And these are pieces that either have holes in them that can't be repaired, stains, they're just not sellable. You really can't even donate them. They just need to be trashed. And that's going to be in your trash pile. Now we're moving back to our love it pile, and we're going to put these things back into our closet. I love to use these velvet hangers because they are nice and thin and I can fit more pieces into my closet neatly. I also like to arrange my pieces by color and by style. My hanging rack usually has shirts in the front, skirts, jumpsuits, then dresses. I like to hang everything on my rack by color and by style. That way, when I look into my closet to find something, I know exactly where to look. If I know today I feel like wearing a denim shirt with a denim skirt, I will look for my tops. I can look by color because I organize it by color. So I organize from light to dark. So all of my tops are together from light to dark. All of my skirts are together, light to dark, and so on along my rack. You can organize your rack however you see fit. This way it works for you. If you read from left to right and that's how you like to do it, then organize it left to right. Now, moving on to your like it/sell pile. These items you want to try on to make sure that they fit so that we can see if we can move them to our love it pile or if we are selling them or possibly donating them. So if these items don't fit you very well, what is it? Does it need a zipper? Does it need a hem? Does it just need to be taken in? If this is the case, can you do it or can you have somebody do it soon? If that means within a month, that's pretty much my time period for everything. If I can't have it done within a month, it needs to go because it's just going to sit here and it's going to turn back into your like it/sell pile, which we don't want to have to hang on to. All right. So if you cannot have it repaired, tailored, altered so that you actually love it, then it either needs to be donated or you need to sell it. You can sell items online, places like Etsy, Poshmark, eBay, or your local consignment shop. Our last 2 piles are donate and trash. So if it's not lovable, if it's not likable, and you can't sell it, then you either need to donate it or it needs to go to the trash. And by deciding if it's donate or trash, majority of the things you can donate. But if it's something that has like that is all torn up, has stains that can't come out, those pieces you might want to just trash. But if they're donatable, donate it to your local thrift store. Now that your trash and donation pile is allocated, you know those items are donation and trash. You want to take those out of your house immediately, because if you're like me, I put it at the bottom of my closet and then it doesn't get donated or trash, and eventually I start pulling things out of the bag. So you want to either put it in your garage, your basement, your car is the best place. If you don't have a car or a garage or a basement, put it by your front door so that your next step is to now bring it to the trash or to your donation center. Now that we have everything hanging where it belongs, we are going to work on our accessories that may be in our closet. I love these drop front clear boxes from the Container Store. I love them because you can see what's in them without opening up the box, and they also have this drop down so that I don't have to lift the box in order to open up the top to get the shoe out. On my other wall, I have handbags that I keep up on a shelf. These are bags that I don't use that often, but they need a space to live. Then I have other shoes that I keep up on a shelf. And a cool way of storing the shoes that are exposed on a shelf is to face one toe out and one toe in. You can fit more shoes on the rail that way. I love sunglasses, so I created this picture frame, which is literally a picture frame that I took the inside out. I use elastic to hang the sunglasses, and that way they're hanging on the wall out of the way. I can see them all at one time, and they're not taking up a lot of space. Hanging on my closet door, I have a shoe bag, which I use for accessories like belts and scarves and all of these little small things that you just have no place to put them. I also throw like flip-flops or anything that I'm just using and I need a small pocket to put it in. This bag is great for that. This is my bag and hat wall where I hang bags that I use often. So they're hanging here so that I don't have to get them off of a shelf. And hats, and they're easy to grab. And I got this piece from a thrift store, and I just put it on the wall, and it has hooks. Setting up an edited closet can be easy. What you need to think about is when you go shopping, how do you like your shopping experience to be? Think about how you like the floors to be merchandised. What stores do you like to go into that you can shop the easiest in? And create that same environment in your closet. Thanks for watching. This is Corinne Wright from Style Haven. You can follow me at Style Haven on Instagram.